Leg analysis, interpretation. I'd like to walk you through a real example of leg analysis and share a few practical tips on how to interpret the data. For simplicity, we'll focus on two boats, POL1 and GR001. Both are from the same class, and the data comes from an actual race. Data were acquired using Vaqueros. First, we set up the event, added the boats, created a series, and added each boat session to the session bucket. Then we split the series into individual races and defined the course. You can learn how to do it in the other tutorials. With everything in place, we ran the analysis and moved on to interpreting the results. Let's begin with leg 1. At first glance, it's clear that GR001 is the faster boat. Both boats sailed at similar angles to the wind, so the higher VMG from GR001 indicates better efficiency. Looking at heel, POL1 sailed in a more upright position. What does this tell us? Most likely, POL1 could improve upwind performance by adjusting sail trim, specifically, sheeting in more to generate additional power. Now, let's move to leg 3. Leg 2 was too short to provide meaningful insights. This is a downwind leg. Once again, GR001 is slightly faster, with better VMG and a more effective angle to the wind. The boat also shows slightly more heel. This suggests that POL1 may benefit from improved sail trim on the downwind as well. Next, let's look at the second upwind leg. Here, POL1 shows better than before overall performance. However, when we examine the spread, represented by the top and bottom whiskers, we can see that POL1 speed over ground is less consistent compared to GR001. VMG for both boats is at a similar level. GR001 still maintains a slightly lower angle, which is better. And once again, GR001 shows slightly more heel, which may indicate more effective trim. Finally, the last leg. GR001 again demonstrates more consistent speed over ground and achieves a higher VMG. Angles to the wind are similar between the boats, but GR001 maintains about 2 degrees more heel. This could point to better sail trim or more optimized weight distribution. To summarize, leg analysis is a powerful tool for understanding the relationship between angle to the wind, speed over ground, velocity made good, and heel, and how these factors combine to influence overall performance.